Tip number 4, take advantage of nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication is harder to read on the virtual platform and certainly through the computer. Use expressive yet natural facial expressions as you speak and use gestures to highlight your point. When it comes to nonverbal communication, be aware of your eye contact. Keep your eye at the camera if it's above the computer. Make sure to smile and acknowledge what people are saying. Remember, nonverbal communication speaks volumes. If you like this video, please make sure that you leave a comment and like it. Give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate your support and your enthusiasm, and I look forward to hearing from you.